Hello, Jambo and Karibu Sana to my channel. Thank you for subscribing and turning on the notifications. So, my good people, I'm going to inform you and show you the prices of basic things and services that you will need during your stay in Zanzibar. And in this first episode, we are going to see the prices of taxis, because taxi is the most and first thing that you will need once you arrive in Zanzibar. And there are two main destinations that people arrive in Zanzibar. The first one is the Zanzibar airport. The second one is the ferry port. So keep in mind the prices from these two destinations to your next destinations will be the same. So for example, you're coming from the ferry port and another person is coming from the airport to Jambiani, the price should be the same. Yeah, there is no difference. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a few examples of prices, and then I will leave this note for you here to read and see all the prices, and 90% of the prices of taxi moving around in Zanzibar. So also keep in mind that there are many types of taxis. It depends with how many are you and you're moving around, how many people. So the first one is the Alphard. Alphard is the most popular one. It is a 7-seater car and has a boot for luggage. So if you are less than 7 people, you can take the Alphard. The second one is a Noah. Noah is a 7-seater, but a little bit smaller than Alphard. And we have the 10-seater van, we have the 14-seater van, and we have the 24-seater minibus. So according to the number of people of how you're moving, you can see which one is suitable for you. Also keep in mind the number of luggage that you have. If you have many luggage and you're like 5 people, you can take a 10-seater. If you have many luggage and you're like 10 people, you can take the 14-seater. If you are like 15 people and over, you can take the minibus 24-seater. But if maybe you're a group of 20 people and you don't want to have struggles, you can take the 24-seater and take a luggage van. There are also luggage vans. Okay, and keep in mind also that the taxi prices is priced on the taxi and the destination. It is not by the number of people they carry. No, it is like a private means of transport, so it is priced on the taxi itself. It doesn't matter if it's a 7-seater, then it will be 3, then no. Okay, so let's start with that destination, Jambiani, let's say. So if you're coming from airport or ferry to Jambiani and you're traveling with the 7-seater Alphard or Noah, the price should be around $40 to $55. For hotels charge around 45 and 50. That's the price of hotels. Yeah, but the hotels are guaranteed people, professional and things like that. We also have other people very professional, but it's hard to find like direct person. And if you will decide to look for a driver yourself, it's a direct driver, the price will be a little bit cheaper. And they will charge you maybe mostly in shillings, and that will be 80,000 or $40. 80,000 shillings is actually like that's $7. And $40 is like 85 or between there. Yeah, not 85 to 90 shillings, 90,000 shillings, sorry. Yeah. So for airport or ferry to Jambiani, to Michamvi, to Paje, to Buju, the price is the same. Yeah. So let's say so it's 45 to 55. For direct, you can get cheaper. That's Michamvi, Buju, Jambiani, yeah, Paje, yeah. And the second one, let's say Makunduchi. Makunduchi from airport or ferry to Makunduchi should be $50, 55, and 60. should not be more than 60 than that. Yeah, so 50, 55, 60, something like that. And from airport to Nungwi, that is the northern part. The first ones I said, that is the southern part destinations. And to the northern part, Nungwi, so the price should also be around 45 from the airport for the 7-seater, 45 to 60 to Nungwi, to the north. Yeah. And guys, you can look at this list here, and that is the approximate prices of the other destinations moving around Zanzibar. Thank you. See you next time. Next time we will learn prices of another service or item that you need during your stay in Zanzibar. Asanteni sana.